Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Coinbase account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you update your Coinbase cost basis method to last in, first out, or LIFO? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to update your cost basis method in Coinbase to last in, first out anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you probably have a CPA or an accountant you're working with, and at their direction, maybe they're telling you should have your cost basis method as last in, first out. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Coinbase dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Coinbase, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to update your cost basis method in Coinbase to last in, first out, you're going to click on your initial here on the top right. Once you click there, you'll see a drop down, and you want to click on the blue Manage Account button. All right, once you do that, it's going to open up your account in Coinbase, and you're going to see this menu here on the left. You want to click on Taxes. Once you click on Taxes, you're going to see these 5 options at the top, and you want to click on Settings. All right, once you do that, you're going to scroll down until you see this line, Cost Basis Method. You can see mine is highest in, first out, but to change this, you're going to click on Edit. Once you click on Edit, you're going to scroll down and then click on this, I want to update. Once you click on, you're going to see all of your tax years that you had a Coinbase account, and you can go ahead and adjust each one of these to last in, first out. Now be careful, because once you change it to LIFO or last in, first out, you're not going to be able to change it again for that tax year. Also, on the most recent tax year, if you change it to last in, first out, it's going to continue with that cost basis method moving forward. Once you made the changes, go ahead and click on the blue Save button. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to update your Coinbase cost basis method to last in, first out, or LIFO, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.